Hello, my name is Anitah. I'm a student at Southern New Hampshire University, taking management with a concentration in logistics and operations. I'm applying for the position of logistics team lead. So Acme Wiget company needs logistic management in order to work effectively. And this is where logistic management means a supply chain component that is used to meet customer demands through the planning, control, implementation of the effective movement, and storage of related information, goods and services from origin to destination. This is very important to Acme a company because it helps them to provide good service where they work on time and offer better customer service to all their customers who buy their products. Also, it can help them to meet the customer demands in customer demands. Also, in addition, it can help them to improve efficiency and reduce cost, and also it can also lead to the increase of their revenues. There are different functions of logistic management that can help Acme Wiget company. Those are the transportation, warehousing, and material handling. Starting on the first is warehousing, which is an act of storing goods that will be sold or distributed later. And this involves procurement, inventory management, and distribution. And it is very important because it maximizes warehouse space and it decreases the return. It also improves risk management where it provides safe storage and perishable products. The second function is transportation, which is the movement of products from one place to another, and this is needed for Acme because it can help them to satisfy needs of their customers by delivering products to them. This is where Acme can use different ways such as air, road, rail, and sea transport, and this helps in collection and distribution of products to the customers. So Acme Wiget company, in order to choose which ways of transportation they can use, they need to see different ways, like considering time, location, and resources, and see if they can be able to get the effective of those different things, that if those are easy to them. So the third function is material handling, and this is the movement, protection, storage, and control of materials and production throughout manufacturing, warehousing, distribution, consumption, and disposal. This can help the Acme company in planning, and inventory management and control, customer delivery, and after sales and transportation. And this can help them to reduce risk and costs. So there are different skills which are needed in Acme Wiget company to perform the task for logistics management. Those are team leadership, where a person needs to motivate, lead, direct, and advise shipping. Another one is training and assessment, and this is needed because a person needs to participate in staff training and evaluation to ensure a high level of customer service. For instance, if the employees do not have different skills about performing a certain task, they need to provide training on that so that the person can know how to perform that task. Also, record keeping is another it's another skill, and this is needed to keep records, tracking shipping and receiving data, and updating the inventory. In addition, lifting and carrying is a skill that is needed because sometimes they need to carry heavy objects and load and unload shipments. I have an experience in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, where I worked as a supervisor of Acme distribution centers, and I gained different skills such as team leadership, communication skills, record keeping, and training and assessment. This is where I was in charge of providing training to the new employees and to communicate to them different information. Also, I was in charge of supervising them and record the transactions and make sure that the shipments are being tracked well. This experience make me fit on this position, and it will be my pleasure to proceed on the next step of this position. Thank you.